Welcome to Top Clover, the same machine repair boss. We also inspire and motivate people on how to do their business in a proper way. So please follow our page, Top Clover. This one is called Terra Rod. So this one is damaged in this machine. So we want to see how we can fix it up. So this particular one that is sulfur here, you see this one is quality type. This one is expensive more than some, like the one that is here you will see. This one is more expensive and this one is quality too. So if you buy this one and fix, this one will last for you for a long time. So let us see how we can fix this damaged part. So first of all, what you are going to do is using this place with your spanner. Also use screwdriver. You loosen here. And you lose this place. Here will come out. So when it comes out, you now use either your spanner like this or plier and lose it. So once you lose it, this place will come out by itself. So the difference between this old one and this other one is this one is very light. You can see this one is light and this one is heavy. This one will last for a longer period of time than this one. So for you to fix it, you have to remove this one all. When you remove this now, so that you can see where there's a hole that they put in. So this place will now enter this hole. So they say, oh, here. I don't know whether the camera can do justice to that. So you put it here like this. You use your screwdriver first and tighten it. So after tightening it, you know there will be force that this thing will be driving on. So you can use your spanner here, the one that sizes it, and tighten it final. So after tightening it, so what you are going to taste now is this thing. They are not always the same. So sometimes the one you buy may be longer than the one that you remove. So what you have to do is to try it first to check it if it will size. So like this one now, you can see it doesn't size. It cannot pass, so that you fix it. So it's simple. What you have to do is, like my own, I always buy my hacksaw, this small one. It is not costly to get it. So when you get it, you cut it from here. So like this one now, if you cannot cut it with your hacksaw from this point, you can also choose to remove it back, lose it, and bring it out so that you can be free. But first of all, you can measure it from when it is this one. Bring it. So you can see this small place is cut out. So I believe when we fix it, the thing will now size with the machine. So you bring it back just like the first process. You remove it, the nut, you put it Then you use your spanner and tighten it. Fine. Bring it down and fix it here. So as you can see, if you tight it too much, you will not be able to turn this wheel. It will be stiff. So it's better you lose it. But when you lose it, don't lose it too much, because if you lose it too much, this wheel will be shaking and will be making some noise. So you just time it when this wheel is free. You tighten it with your spanner. Tighten it with your spanner. Fine. So as you can see, this cloth they tied the cloth because this thing was not working well. And let me remove it. So if you buy this type of silver, all what you have to do is to bring it here and fix it like this. You bring down and fix. But in this particular machine, I will not change this one. Okay, I will change it simply because this tray is not okay. The tray I've chopped, but let me check some. Okay, the tray is okay. So I wanted to say why I did not want to change this one is that some of this machine, this place, the base here is small, while in this one is bigger than this one. So in most cases, I don't like changing it because when you change it, you will start making noise from these points. So you can use it with this other one. But what mostly damage is this one, not this one. So you can still manage this one, or you can still use it, not even manage it. It will still last for a long time. So put it on the tray, tight it in, use your screwdriver, tight it well. So there are times that you tight it and finish like this, then the pedal will be stiff. So don't panic. All what you have to do is to tight it in again. The reason is that the length between here and here is too long. So when it is too long, you will now drop with this wheel between the wheel and the pedal. So you will not be able to turn it. So when you tight it to the normal position, you will turn normal, just like this one. Fine. See, it's free now. You don't even apply oil. So you still come back and do it. Come back here and try this one. You can use the plier. You can use its spanner. So that is how to fix it. Let me turn it so that you can see how it is. See, there is no sound, there is no noise. But this one, we don't even apply oil. So after you apply oil, you have grease. You have piece, you can put it, the piece between this place, the school here, that those small bodies is. Working perfectly well. So I think you can see that fixing that parallel rod is not that difficult, but the only thing you need to do is to have necessary tools that will enable you to loose and tighten it back. So there are many tips on how to repair your sewing machine. If you have any difficulty with your sewing machine, it doesn't work, it doesn't do, it doesn't, so you can comment below so that we can see how we make videos to assist you. Thank you so much.